Jagoro Migao ma somo likanya ololtua wacho ni Migao no sechako chenro manono skunde mag sekondar duto ma pachoka mayango kaka mago mag C1 magin mago madongo nyaka C4 magin mago maniengas mar gwenge. Weche jagoro no biro mane kinde ma skunde duto maniengas mamalo kadhe chandruok ma dhungruok ma jopuonjre makelo pek ma tich e chenro mapile mag skunde go. Kolose skundi ya wuoi ma Kolanya manie kachungon bura mateso North e County ma Busia olol tua okwayo mondo jotelo bed kod dembruok e stima chenro no iketo e tim.
Sasa wacha niwaeleze. First of all, we have already commenced assessment of all schools in Kenya. In fact, all the regional directors of education, county directors of education, sub-county directors, together with the Teacher Service Commission, we have commenced an assessment of all the schools to be able to recategorize them so that those that qualify to be C1, C2, C3, and so on and so forth will be placed accordingly. Because the Ministry of Education is a ministry of order and discipline. So we don't want a situation where we keep on piecemeal. We go here, we announce. We go here, we announce. We are not going to do that because we are very disciplined and we are very professional and we must do a professional work.
Yeah, we deserve a C1. This is a C1 school. You look at the infrastructure, we are a C1. Even you look at the notable alumni that we have, for example, Ambassador Babu Namwamba. This is a C1 school. When you walk around, is a C1. Even when you look at our parents, is C1. Our results is C1. Our meals is C1. Our students is C1. Even the